Ever make avocado stain? Let me show you how. I'm so excited at how these turned out. They look so much like a vintage piece of paper. This was the watercolor cardstock. Look at how rich it looks now. It went in pristine and white. Now, this lace is a synthetic lace, and it didn't take to the coloring as well, but I really like the variation. It kind of congregated in some areas more than others, as I left it in a bowl overnight with the other fabrics, and then I dried it in the dryer in the morning very lightly, and this is what it came out like. I can see this in a beautiful art piece of some kind. Now, these are cotton fabrics over here. This blanket binding has a cotton blend, and so it definitely got that beautiful blush color from the avocado stain. And the Dollar Tree lace was all cotton, and I love the blush that turned out. So pretty and soft. Here is some more of the synthetic lace. And as I said, it doesn't take as well to the synthetics, but you can see that it definitely changed color and is a light blush. Okay, let's get a little more creative. And I'm going to stain now with the avocado stain. The His and Her foam Hobby Lobby roses. These are the smaller ones, and they come 6 in a pack. So I'm just putting them face down first, and then I just kind of flip them over, and I take them out in about 20 minutes, half hour. I took them out, and I let them dry on a paper plate. I'm just showing you the difference of the blush and the white. What a pretty color that turned out. Now I'm adding a little bit more water to the mix because after all that fabric, it's really not a lot of liquid left. And I'm going to heat it up real well, and I'm going to put some instant coffee in the mix and darken it and dissolve it in the water. Once that's good and dissolved, I'm going to put another 6 of the white roses in this solution. Just put them in face down, let them sit there for 20 minutes, half hour, just playing with them, turning them over. I like when the water gets in all the nooks and crannies and just sits there because it just gives it a lot of dimension when it stains it. Once those have been in there for about a half an hour in the warm liquid, I took them out, and this is what we ended up with. I couldn't be happier. And look at all the dimension in the coffee stained ones. So pretty. And next morning, after they were completely dried, they have a little bit of a darker tinge to them. I really am happy with the way they turned out. Let me know, are you going to give this a try? And hey, what about that mashed avocado? Oh yeah, I ate it with some leftover loaded nachos. Win-win.